And that is what I will just keep. I'll basically make big jugs of that. So I have a big container in my kitchen, and I'll just do, a couple of NutriBullets at a time. And that's pretty much a whole bag of cacao. So then it's all prepared and ready to rock. You just grab what you want, put it in your smoothies or whatever. I'm often doing ceremony for, 300 or 400 people. So I can't be sitting there with a knife chopping it all up or a grater grating it all up. So the other thing I'll do is put it in a pot. We can't ever bring the temperature of the cacao up above about 87 degrees Celsius. So you always want to keep the temperature of your cacao below 87 degrees. Saying that, when I do my big batches, I boil a whole lot of water, usually in a kettle, and what I'll do is I'll put the cacao chunks just like this, even bigger, sometimes like big chunks, in the bottom of my pots, and usually I'll have 3 or 4 big pots going when I'll be doing cacao for that many people. I'll start by pouring the boiling water on top of the chunks of the cacao, then start stirring it. So